delete kind cluster. Easy. Just type kind delete. Obviously, yeah, just type kind delete. I think I have it on autocomplete here. So kind delete cluster, and this one kubectl config delete. This one just takes out the config of this cluster from the kubectl.kube directory, so that everything will be gone. So if I issue this command, it will delete it, and then this one will go into this user directory and get rid of the config as well, so it doesn't have any conflict. The other thing you might want to do is to sort of like if you go back to Docker desktop, you see that when you create these clusters, you can see that here we've got the control plane. We got worker 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are 4. The other thing to do is to just come here and also get rid of this, because if you see, if I want to create again, it will just complain that it's already there. So to actually just delete the previous ones, the easiest thing to do is to come and tear down these containers as well, if you really want to get rid of it. Or if you're not like if you're not into this, if you are into command line like myself, you can just do docker here. If you do doc ps-a, you see all of that. What you can now do is to say docker kill. You just kill all the containers, and that will kill everything. And then the next one is to obviously clean out everything else. All the images are hanging, and just force them out. Here I'll just kill everything off, and that, if you go back now, you see that everything else is gone. Thank you.